Make sure not to over sauce. Now this is a raw tomato sauce. Make sure not to over sauce the classic pizza margherita. It's red and it's green and it's white. Too much sauce will make all the dough sticky and wet. Get a good coating, keep it off the crust, and then we're going to tear some beautiful fresh basil. It's such a beautiful pizza. And you can either tear or slice the buffalo mozzarella. I'm going to slice it so I get nice, even melting across the entire pizza. And just arrange that all the way around. It's going to melt quickly and evenly. A few more slices of basil. There we go. Our oven is 700 degrees, which is perfect. I'm just going to use our ash brush and clean the surface. What's so great about these ceramic stones and this cooking surface, once it's seasoned. Pizza peel that's provided. I'm just going to put just a little bit of flour on the pizza peel, and then in 3 quick motions go underneath the pizza and straight into the center with 3 motions. 1, 2, 3. And just like that, our pizza's in the oven. In using this pizza peel, I love the fact that it has a slightly sharpened edge and it's skeletonized, which means it has perforated surface area. And what that means is less surface area touching the dough. If you've ever made pizza before, some of the trick in getting the pizza peel, it's a little bit tricky. So what this pizza peel has done, it allows less surface area, a nice sharp edge, so you can both get it off when it's raw and when it's cooked. I think it's going to be just incredible. It's time to turn. The included turner lets you spin it around. The back of the oven is hotter than the front. Get her turned around and get it closed back up again. Pizza peel in. Pizza margherita out. Ooh. That's a deep dish, baby. Holy mackerel. With my pizza about halfway cooked, I'm going to use the supplied turner to go underneath, give it a little spin, and turn the back to the hottest part of the oven again. With one gentle, sharp stroke, there's our pizza. And again, you can use your finger to push it off. It's so smooth the way it comes off that peel. You can see we've got beautiful, nice hollow sounding crust. Still have tons of liquid and moisture. Look at that melting cheese. This is a beautiful finish. First pizza out of the oven. I'm excited. Hallmark of a great pizza is a great crust, which this has. It's beautiful and crispy. You can hear that crunch. And let's have a bite. The basil, the tomato, and that incredible crust. Enjoy.